find an Earthling who is skilled, smart, agile, and knows how to shred it.
Catherine, prepare probe to locate perfect test specimen. Not that kind of probe.
This is guaranteed to get you more air than any skater in history, Jackknife.
Then let her rip, man!
He forgot his skateboard.
Glad you're here, little slob. Saves me the effort of tracking you down with my LSGPS.
What's an LSGPS?
My little slob global positioning system. As you know, Lil Slob and I have a bitter rivalry.
No, we don't.
And so I'm glad all of you are here to witness the final humiliation of Lil Slob. I'm gonna defeat you once and for all in the ultimate game of skate.
Wow, today just went from awesome to a total waste of time in a flash.
The probe has located a perfect test specimen.
Show him on screen.
You know I'm the most rat-awesome skater, and after I beat Lil Slob, I'll be the leader of the Wild Grinders, too.
A rad awesome skater. We have found our specimen.
Commence collection. And bring inferior slob Lil specimen so we may test him against the Rad Awesome One.
Check out this sparking metal basketball I found, man. Anyone want to play some one-on-one?
Forget your kiddie game. We're here for the final humiliation of...
Was that part of the final humiliation?
We've been abducted by aliens! What kind of horrible torture chamber have they put us in? Oh!
Greetings, Earthlings.
Probe him first!
Slob low, so that your inferior brain will remain calm. We have duplicated your living quarters.
You guys nailed it. Right down to the crumbs of Skadios on the carpet. How'd you pull it off?
Very technical. Inferior slob Lil brain never understand.
I don't even want to ask.
Inferior slob Lil and the Rad Awesome One. We're scientists from the planet
Much interest have we in Earthlings, and so we bring you here for scientific testing.
We designed special test suits for you. First test in 10 minutes. Until then, kick back, watch TV, enjoy yourselves.
Come out, Stubford. We'll just do their tests and then I'm sure they'll let us go home.
Aliens never let you just go home. They're gonna eat us. Oh, I'm too young to be an alien horse devourers.
If you come out, you'll get to wear an alien tech suit.
I get the blue one.
According to Stubford's Rob global positioning system, Lil Rob is aboard some kind of ship orbiting Earth. This electromagnetic pulse emitter will cripple the ship's propulsion drive, forcing it to land, and we can save Lil Rob. And I guess Stubford too.
I've got a lock. Hit puree. Direct hit.
And the smoothies are done, man. Perhaps I should have aimed a little higher.
I never thought I'd say this, but we've got to work together, Stubford.
Who thought the day would come? Bitter rivals.
We're not rivals.
Forced to team up as Team Wild Stubbies.
We're not Team Wild Stubbies.
To survive an evil alien menace.
Greetings, Earthlings, both inferior and rad awesome. Ready for first test?
Bring it on, Green Top.
We test brain smartness to see how smart Earthlings are. Although, seems unnecessary since the Stubford is clearly superior to Slob Lil.
They got your number, Slob Lil.
If you get through maze before Cancor, you smarter than Cancor.
What's a Cancor?
Typical inferior brain question. Cancor like tiny Earth octopus, except for tiny part.
Oh, I've been Cancored.
Interesting. The Stubford not smarter than Cancor.
Next test. We test your agility. Although still seems unnecessary since the Stubford is clearly superior to Slob Lil.
You ready to do this, Stubford?
I was born ready. Team Wild Stubby's co-captain.
Wild Grinders! Did it in record time.
You've done well, Slob Lil. By the moons of Uranus, I am surprised.
Wild Stubby! Record time!
The Stubford less agile than Cancor.
Next test.
Earthlings, we test now your skill. Kindly proceed to the door.
Don't open that door, Lil Slob! These tests are just tricks, so we let our guard down and then... whammo! We're dinner!
So far, the tests have been kind of fun. Why don't you lighten up and just roll with it?
I'm not going out that door, and there's nothing those evil alien overlords can do to make me!
Come on, Stubford. Let's kick some asteroids. Woohoo! This is awesome. Woohoo! Yeah! Amazing! I claim this asteroid in the name of the Wild Grinder.
Perhaps red also means something different in Earthling.
Scientific testing is complete.
And what'd you guys find out, huh? Just how rad awesome I really am?
No, something much more important.
We need a new probe. One that selected you clearly broken. For being superior specimen, Lil Rob, we offer lovely fruit basket. And sorry about the whole inferior Slob Lil thing.
I guess you were right, Lil Slob. They did just want to test us.
Hold on a parsec. You are to not leave yet. We forgot one final test.
Ah, yes. How could I forget? Best test of all. Now we test your tastiness.
Just take the fruit basket and we'll call it even.
Eat, Lil Slob! I'm too chewy!
You're not eating this grinder, green top. I'll make you guys a deal. You take me home, and I guess Stubford too, and I'll show you the best food in the universe.
Deal.
Okay, who had the fish tacos?
One called meaty is right. Pico de Gallo is the bomb.
I never steal your own, Capthrill.
Lil Rob, your name shall be sung in the 7 rings of Wampor Tree on Kree Bar. For on this day the Slore do indeed feast. Let it be forever known throughout universe. The Teiko is tastier than the Stubford.
And probably smarter, too.
Speaking of which, you guys gonna let Stubford go soon?
Maybe. After another round of the takeover.
Emo, look out!
Emo, where you going? Emo?
Who needs daydreaming? I can stare skate better when I'm sleeping.
Emo, what's up with you?
Nothing.
I see something.
Sorry, guys. I was daydreaming about this girl. She's so awesome.
A girl? Hello, everybody. It's time to play Ask Emo. We've all got a lot of questions for our friend and valuable prizes for the winners. Isn't that right, Flips?
That's right, Little Rob. Fresh from the taco truck, the winner will receive a free order of 3 bean and triple cheese burritos.
We might need new prizes.
Emo, here's your first question. Who is she? Who are you texting?
And what does she look like?
We've never seen each other. We met online in a forum about the Unicornicon next week.
What's she like, man?
She's older, sophisticated. She's used to the finer things in life.
Oh, she's high society.
And get this, she loves my poetry. Watch. Darkness. All around. It is everywhere I go. The sky. My heart. My socks. Thank you.
What kind of girl likes all that?
The kind you meet in an online forum about unicorns.
I gotta take this.
What's going on?
She wants to meet in person and go to Unicornicon together.
Game over.
I can't do it. I just can't do it. I know. I'll leave the country, get a job at a comic book store in Mozambique.
What are you worried about? You're a wild grinder, dude. Meeting new people is cool.
You know how I am when I meet someone new.
Emo, I'd like you to meet some new people.
Good times.
I guess it's just that sometimes I'd rather text than talk.
Emo Crys says hi, man.
It'll be okay, Emo. She'll like you for who you are.
But I told her my name was Lord Elrod.
Oh.
And I live on a 1,000-acre unicorn farm.
What? Well, she'll just have to accept your love of fantasy and roleplay. That's who you are.
And I never told her how much I love skateboarding.
Yeah, you got trouble.
Oh man, oh man, oh man.
I'm thinking it's time for a makeover.
I can't wait to see what happens. I love romantically impersonal text messages from strangers.
Don't be nervous. You look fine.
I am nervous.
Yeah, dude. Be yourself. Like me. Who cares what anyone else thinks?
Look who's talking. Poser of the year. What are you doing here, Squeak?
Yo, I heard about this at the online Unicornicon support group, and I'm just here to support, yo. You know me. Just a simple kid who believes in love and happens to own a whole mess of unicorn stuff.
She's coming. She says she feels like she's entering Unicornitopia and about to meet her elfin prince.
Funny. That sounds so familiar. Why not let me check her out, and if she's cool, I'll give you the okay.
Great, thank you. She likes unicorns and flowers, and she loves Froyo frozen yogurt.
Unicorns, flowers, Froyo frozen yogurt? That sounds really familiar.
Oh, Robbie Bobby, what are you and the other skate weenies doing here?
Denise? What are you doing here?
I'm meeting a friend of mine. He's a unicorn farmer, Lord Elrod.
Lord Elrod?
What?
I did not see that coming.
Weird. Kinda cool, but weird.
I can't believe I fell for one of your practical jokes!
I didn't do anything.
Ooh!
Denise, it wasn't Lil Rob. It was me. I'm Lord Elrod.
I didn't know you had a 1,000-acre unicorn farm!
I don't.
Where's Emo again today?
You know that answer.
He and Denise are inseparable these days.
Here they come.
Hi, guys.
Only skate weenies talk when they're skating. Turn left. Watch out for the broken sidewalk. Beetle! Come! Let's get some froyo. Froyo mama yoga, yo-ho-ho. It's yo-ho, yo-ho, yo-ho-ho. Froyo mama good.
And there they go.
Good morning, Robbie Bobby. Lord Elrod
Emo.
and I are off to the Unicornicon today.
We got plans with Emo Crys too.
He doesn't have time to weenie skate with you two. Unicorns first.
Psst, Lil Rob, meaty, I need help.
Emo, what's up? Denise just left.
This is about Denise. She's smothering me. I need your help to break up with her. My poems don't even make sense anymore. Heart, skateboard, sky, breakfast. See?
There you are, Lord Elrod.
Emo.
We've got so much to do. Together, you and me, all day.
I know that look.
Puppy, we're all going down to Unicornicon.
I've got time to lick my plate, right?
OMG whiz! This is the greatest thing since the Froyo Museum!
Target has been acquired. Horn 1 is in position. Repeat, Horn 1 is in position. We are go. Launch Operation Free Emo. Confirmative. We are launched.
I got this. Now we are launched.
Unicorn, 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 unicorn.
Oh, Jasper, I love you more than Froyo. Lord Elrod, get me that unicorn! I've gotta have it!
I'm on it. Hey, wait, slow down.
Unicorn! I first! Yo, score! Oh man, I could shop here all day. Yo, I don't even need all these unis because I already have like 1 billion top-of-the-line unicorns at home.
Hey, Squeak, how'd you like your own giant unicorn?
Oh, would I? Yo, I mean, I already have like a fleet of single horns at my mansion, but yo, one more if anything never hurt.
Goggles, here's a math problem. Squeak plus unicorn equals what?
A rich kid poser.
Who's about to meet his destiny.
That's what I'm talking about. Whatever it costs, yo, I'll buy it. Smooth ride, plush seats, luxury. Yo, give me a whoa there, yo.
Unicorn and boy, unicorn and boy.
Is this your unicorn? Oh, please say yes. Tell me it is.
Mine? Oh, of course it's mine. Yo, I got a garage full of them. And one that flies. Yeah, that's right. One that flies. Yo, you want to check out some froyo? I'm Squeak, by the way.
You're not a wild grinder, are you?
Who, me? I mean, I'm street and all. Yo, but I'm too cool for school. You know what I mean? Yo, I'm no doofy wild grinder, schminder.
Make room, Squeak. Goodbye, Lord Elrod.
Emo. Emo.
It was fun while it lasted, but you know, Squeak has a unicorn, and he's not a skate weenie. To the fro-yo!
Fro-yo mama yoga, yo-ho-ho! It's yo-ho, yo-ho, yo-ho-ho! Fro-yo mama good!
Mission accomplished. Thanks, Lil Rob.
I hope you learned a valuable lesson about texting my sister.
Texting girls. Nothing but trouble. Never again. Never again. No, thank you. Go on ahead. I gotta take this.
We need a fake name. How about Unicorny?
Ask Lord Elrod to write us a poem, man. I love texting.